Find binomial distribution for which mean is 5 and variance is 15 by 4. So we have given mean equal to 5 and variance equal to 15 by 4. We have to find out what is the binomial distribution. That means we have to find out Pn, P and also P of x. If you know n and p, then we can write P of x. Expectation of x, n into p, that is 5, right? And variance of x, n into p into 1 minus p or q, 15 by 4. Now tell me how to find out this. Q by, okay, that means we can divide equation number 2 by 1, right? Okay, npq divided by np, this is equal to 15 by 4 divided by 5. So, and we will get q equal to 15 by 4. That means 15 by 4 divided by, that is 15 by 20. Q is equal to 15 by 20. The common factor is 5, right? So 3 by 4. So Q is 3 by 4. Is it correct? Q is 3 by 4. Then what is P? 1 minus Q, right? 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. So if I know P and Q, P and Q, and I know NP, then I can get N, right? NP equal to 5, and we know that P equal to 1 by 4. Then what is N? 20, right? 20. Good. So I got N equal to 20 and P equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, X follows binomial 20 1 by 4.